let's get into this second to last house, which is the 11th house, Aquarius. Okay. The domain is between January 20th and February 20th. Okay, so these are your Aquariuses, your water bearers. Water bearer being, you know what I'm saying, water ski mask. Anyway, water being associated with information. So you know, us being in the Aquarian age, the water bearer is pouring the water, which is information, onto the world. Okay, so that's why we are in the age of information. It's the Aquarius. Okay, so fixed air sign, you know that fixed means stubborn. Air sign mean they like to talk. That's that social, community-oriented person, thinker, communicator, social, intellectual, clever, and curious. You know what I'm saying? That's what Aquarius is. They are ruled by Uranus. Haha. I'm stupid. Anyways, you know what I'm saying? Uranus has to do with change, unexpected events, and unconventionalism. You Aquariuses are very unconventional. So, Aquarius, progressive. Aquarian energy is a very progressive, original, and independent. You know what I'm saying? Aquarius want to be on their own and do their own thing. Humanitarian, you know what I'm saying? They giving if they you know what I'm saying, feel like they should be. You know what I'm saying? They mess with you. It runs from emotional expression, born shy and quiet, but can become energetic and talkative. So y'all can either be quiet or y'all can be super talkative. But you know what I'm saying? Whenever you're a comfortable Aquarius, you're gonna talk a whole lot. You can't even help it. That's the air sign, okay? So these are deep thinkers and problem solvers. Yeah, I could definitely understand that. Adaptable possibilities, or you know what I'm saying, Aquarius being associated with possibilities, new things, originality, stuff like that. The Aquarius uses his mind at every opportunity, and they need mental stimulation, or they can become bored, and they gonna lack motivation when they bored. Okay, these are timid people, sometimes abrupt and aggressive. That Aquarius ruled by Uranus. Man, Uranus is a very intriguing planet as well. Because it's deeper than just this, okay? Anyways, thinks ahead and very social, community orientated, of course. It's that air sign and insensitive and untrusting. Okay. Aquarius don't trust you, just so you know. I just want you to know, they don't trust you. And they insensitive, so they ain't gonna tell you that they don't trust you. Anyways, let's keep it moving. Alright, we almost done with this. Likes being surrounded by people. Likes fall with friends, of course. Hope my phone is another. Okay, alright. Let's get into it. Other friends like helping, like fighting for causes. You know what I'm saying? That's your Aquarius. They like intellectual conversation, and they love good listening. So don't be cutting off Aquarius a lot of times, because they don't like that. They want you to listen and they want to talk, because they are, you know what I'm saying? The air sign. Let the air sign talk. Literally, let them talk. Let them talk. When they talking too much, mute them. But you know what I'm saying? That air sign gonna talk. Ain't nothing you can do about it. So be a good listener if an air sign talk to you. Listen to that Aquarius. They gonna express themselves to you, and they need to express themselves to you just so they can be who they supposed to be. So let them be them, okay? So their dislikes. They dislike limitations. So you know what I'm saying? You Capricorns, I don't know. They probably not gonna rock with you like that. They dislike broken promises and being lonely. Their signs hate being lonely. They need somebody to talk to. They hate boredom. Aquarius need mental stimulation and people who disagree, man. So don't be cutting off no Aquarius not being a good listener to disagree with them. They're going to hate you. Not gonna want to talk to you anymore. So, you know what I'm saying? And they don't trust you. Remember that. And they're gonna tell you that because they insist to. But they're compatible with Leos and Sagittarius, both being fire signs. Yup. That's the Aquarius.